Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Is your girl Rejoice One TV. If today is your first time of coming across this my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to comment below, turn off the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video you will be the first to be alerted. Guys, I upload every day on this channel. I bring out the latest gist, the latest things, what is happening on social media. I bring it here for us to watch. And I want to say a big thank you to my whole subscribers and my new ones and those that do support me. May the Lord Almighty bless you all for supporting me. I love you all. See you next on my next video. Bye bye.
Miserable life inside. My day is going, darling. It's going fine. Their life is miserable inside. They have a dirty life inside. You like my hair? Oh, my hair is fine. My the woman, how now they call them, the stylist, just said, bring all your hair. She said I should bring all my hair to her. I brought everything. And I took it to her. And she just organized them again. Do you know that you can actually use old hair? She organized them again for me. And all of them are looking nice and great. All of them came back like new one. She organized them for me. Wait. Some people are sad this too. Please share the video if you are joining the broadcast. They want to go there. They want to hurt you so that they will see you, your joy, your happiness. They will be able to ruin it. That's the meaning. That's the reason behind them running after Rita on social media. Because my smile is a killer one. If you bomb boy, my smile is a killer one. It's not an ordinary one. This, I like your smile. I like your smile. I like your smile. I like your smile. We all love on the talk. Forget it. It's a killer one. Only the lovers of Rita, the people who really love me from their hearts. Wow. Get inside. Go inside the car. Go in the car. Go in the car. I'll take it from you. I'll take it from you. I'll take it from you. How many seat bed do we have? How many? You come inside. Sit down here and bet yourself here. All right. Dora, you sit down there. Remove your bag. Remove your bag.
Mama.
Yeah.
I put it.
Yes. It's for Dora, right?
Yeah.
Give me those papers.
It's for Dora.
I know. How are they, my people? Thanks for joining. Yes, let me put them here. Remove your bag. Bet yourself, the two of you. Bet yourself. Okay?
Yeah. Dora.
Thanks for joining. Thanks for the star. Some people are actually saddest in life. They don't have joy. They are not happy. What you see on live video. What you see on live video. What you see on live video every day is real. Now the real life of people, now be that one. Now the real life of people who have jealousy spirit. Yeah, jealousy spirit is real, my people. Your smile can be an attacking weapon to your enemy without you even knowing it. Your smile, only the smile where you the smile for your mouth, is an attacking enemy. Attacking enemy. Only the smile where you get. Your happiness, the way people love you, the way you do your things, the way you look, everything about you can be an attacking weapon to your enemy. It will be attacking them. You will not even know. You don't know it. That is exactly my life on live video right now. I never knew that my smile is killing some people. I like Amo. Even when it's a saga, I enter inside my house, I receive some calls, I talk with some people. I get to realize it that even the people that are calling me, talking to me, I get to realize it that I will increase my smile and I will make it look more beautiful. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to add a golden to it. Not be golden teeth like that. Oh. There is something that you can actually put in front of your teeth here. Like, you just put it somewhere. When you smile, when you open your mouth, it will be sparking and it will be like you have a nice smile. More beautiful than how it was. Yes. Have you bet yourself?
Yeah.
Brava. More beautiful than the way it used to be. Your joy is a killer weapon to people. Your happiness. Wow, Ritotarians. Now this one I be wow. Now this one I be wow. It's called stone. I have it too. Oh, it's called stone. Yes, it's called a stone. Yeah, you will put on for yeah. Ritotarians, how will you do that one? More go put on. I not see. I will not go for that one, Jela. I've been away. Are you back on straight? Nah, diamond. I don't like diamond. Like diamond, they need to file your teeth in between. When your teeth, when they file, you can't get that cause where you see some people when they open mouth, you see and you come make zaga. Now all those file way they do. Now they cause way they make zaga protrude, come out. It look ugly. Look ugly. Look ugly. Like ugly. Yes. Now all those file way that they file and they put something in the middle. Have you bet yourself, Kinder?
Yeah.
Right. Are we going now?
Yeah.
So I'm telling you people the reason why you see the joy of the Lord. Exactly. Thank you so much, my darling. I mean more people. I so much love you people so much. How are you?
I'm fine.
Everything is fine, right?
Yeah.
Dora, remove your jacket small. Let me see. Are you hot?
No.
You are fine like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. You see? Your smile, the smile when you smile for your mouth, people want to off it. No. No one can off your smile when you know your God. No one can off your smile. When you know your God. Eh? When you know your God, no one can off your smile. Please keep up the smile that you have in you. Sadist. Anybody who gets sadistic character, nothing will change it. Even if you buy house, you give them. Even if you buy gold, you give them. Even if you buy the whole world. Even if you buy them a car. Everything you give to them is about them, who they are inside. Do they have joy? Peace is the only thing that makes you happy. When you have peace in your life, you'll be happy. You get everything that you want, then you'll be happy. When you have peace. When you don't have peace, there is no joy. Because there is no peace for the wicked. The wicked will never go unpunished. And the more you try to hurt the children of God, the greater they become. Have you bet yourself, Kinder?
Yeah. Yeah.
The more you try to hurt the children of God, the greater they become. How you want to hurt them?
Mama, can I open my window?
Don't open your windows. I want this place to be hot. I want it to be warm. It was cold. The more you try to hurt the children of God, the greater they become. Ciao. The greater they become. Somebody say me I come follow and use cloth to do competition. Cloth equal. Mama work by you competition. You spend thousands of years for Europe. You cannot even know just ordinary driving license. You don't have it. You cannot drive a car around. I'm another that I'm another rent a fee. I beg you, go and head yourself. I don't have time for people. I don't have time for people who wants to come prove this, come prove that. How many years for Europe? Nothing. Now only to say for mouth. No be. A person wey don't make and they not they do competition. Now people will not get anything. Now they enter competition. That is why you see when people have competition mind, you know that they don't have anything. People who don't have anything, they always have competition mind because they have nothing. They cannot offer anything. They want to. If you have something, you show. People see it in you. You don't need to show it to anyone. It is sin. It is sin. Now the people of the world go see out by themselves. Say this one has something to offer. This one is a human being. Now be say you come. They say come and show me this one. Come and show me that one. Come and show me that one. A driving license get can wait be damn ya win a driving license. Ordinary ebo. Why UK ebo no? Why UK what is ebo? Nothing to offer. Land. You spend how many years for all land? Ordinary language school certificates, you don't have it. You want to be entering into competition, people to be making competition with you. A vain competition that has nothing. Competition normally bring you well up to make you a better person in life. How many of you they do competition where you not get hand, get leg? You don't bath. You never bath. Competition will not go well. Nigeria. Can you imagine? It's a sign of failure. That's what failure represents in life. Yes. If you say you be woman, you talk to me, I go handle you woman to woman.
They can just stick it in face, no?
Yeah. I'll talk to you woman to woman. It's a sign of defeat. Yeah. That means you have been defeated. For you to be looking for match to match. You will say you get match where they beat the whole world. Where they will tell you, say, come on. We'll go meet, we'll go block you for party. We'll go block you for year. We'll go block you for year. They'll say they want beat you. When you can't see person where pass you. Now you can't run after person where you want go beat. What's the manners here? Why you know you are do Giliguam, do Giliguagua? Ordinary grant. I was on here. They are me kuta. Illiterates. I'm sorry. Not be say they mock people. Now cause some way be say people will not go school, not they follow them go waka. I don't move with them because they don't have brains. Brains is not inside them. They have nothing to offer. They pretend to be human beings. They are not human beings. You have me to contend with online video. My joy will continue to be your pain. My happiness will continue to be your frustration. My joy will continue to be your pain. My happiness will continue to be your frustration. There's nothing you can do about it. The only thing you can do about it is to find yourself joy. Look at the reason why human beings are supposed to be happy. What is it that is lacking in your life? By the time you get that thing that is lacking in your life, you'll find joy and you will be happy. I found what is lacking in my life a long time. That is why you cannot corrupt my happiness. I know what thing I supposed to get for my life. I'll go after them. I'll go and get them. I run after them. I fight for them. After getting them, you will never corrupt my happiness. It's you that needs to go and find that thing that is missing in your life. Yes. By the time you find that thing where they miss for your life, you don't need people. Krista, that thing where they miss for your life, if you find and finish, you don't need to be running after people and thinking to say, I want to watch this one. Make I steal the smile. Not be lie, you. Let me steal the smile of this one. Let me corrupt the smile. You see, you're not the happy again. You're not the happy again. Happiness comes from God. And from you, how you work on yourself. If you not work on yourself, I bet forget story. You will continue to run after the happiness of people. Still, you cannot corrupt it because you never reach. You never reach. You never bath. Yes, now. You never reach. You never bath. You never reach. You never bath. So instead of you to be running after the happiness of women, like a woman like you, that is busy enjoying her life, go and find your happiness. What happened to your happiness? Were you careless with it? What did you do with it? Christina, take Dora, go inside, okay? Yeah. Let me finish my video. The door is open. Open the door. Dora, remove your seatbelt. I'll bring your books upstairs, okay? Go inside. Thank you so much, my darling people. Now do way. My lovely Ayemiamo people. Take your bag with you. Lock the door. Be careful. Don't play around. Just go upstairs. Open. So she has driving license. I saw people congratulating her last year. Story. Now, by to congratulate, I've been at to get her. Not be Esther talk show where you see say Esther talk show carry motor come out. He carry driving license come and I should go hug motor. He host Terry. He begin the carry Terry. They try it. My network. Don't try it. Saddies always wants others to be miserable like them. Exactly. They want others to be miserable like them. Saddies want other people to be miserable like them. Not only that one. They want to engage you into sheep competition. Sheep. You know what I call it? A competition where they sheep will not be anything. Very cheap ones. You see the competition, you know that they are cheap. Competition that don't even help their life. They want to engage you into it so that you'll be joining them to do all those their competition where you not get hand, get leg. Whereas, if you really enter into their life, you will know that there is no joy. There is no happiness. When you have joy, when you are okay in your life, you don't care, you don't see people. What people wear, you don't even see it. I'm telling you, this one is the truth of life. When you have peace inside you, and when you are okay, you don't need to go to your cupboard and select a clothes to wear because of a person. You just wear what you want and what is comfortable with you. For you, you wear yourself. You wear yourself. You know they look, they go say, let me wear this. Because of this person, if they see me, make them by say, I wear this one, make them by say, I wear this one. Whereas, ordinary nothing. Oh, Facebook not going to let you comment. You commented and they block you. People are busy running around trying to bring down the Facebook of other people. Jealousy is high on live video. And in these last days, like a few months now, the jealousy where they get for me not be picking you. I'm telling you people. Me, I not Queen Noah. But now later, now I can't know. Now I can't know. Say, hey, not be me and now. Very jealous kind of nonsensical people. Having nyaga. Jealousy will not go anywhere. Does it mean that if you hurt me and I get hurt today, I will never be happy again in my life? By the time I bring my joy out, your frustration will start again. It will not change because it's an inbuilt. Nothing will change it because what you are supposed to do to change your state of mind so that you can find joy is for you to change your life and make yourself happy. Commenters, oh, Rita commenters. Rita commenters. It's for you to find that thing that is lacking in your life. If you know, say you not get husband where they respect you, where they love you the way you want them, work on your life. There is definitely something that man irritates that man about you. That is why he's not giving you the attention that you want. Yes, I tell you, there is something that is irritating him about you. Now, cause and way you know they see attention. If you fix that thing that is irritating him about you, he will love you. He will be happy. That one is one character with men that I've seen. You understand? One character that I've seen in men. Now be that one. If you know, say, what they do, my husband don't like him. Change so that he will like it and be giving you love and you'll be happy. You want love, you cannot find it. You can't pretend to people. If you have joy, people will see it. If you are a sadist, people will see it. Many people follow me on live video because of this my happiness where they give people. This my joy, this my smile when I they give people. What happened to my phone? What did these children do with my phone? Good. This my joy when I they give my followers. Who invite this Achawo Pikin? Who be Achawo Pikin again for them? This my joy and my happiness where they give people my beautiful smile. My beautiful smile make people to follow me. It makes them to love me, not be juju. But many people, they think it's juju. They say, they will cut my picture. Somebody took my picture. Wear my shirt, not they okay for you. Go post on. All these nuisancy people, we not they okay. He cut my this thing. He go put on somewhere say, see I'm na juju Rita they do wait the entire live video. Now this juju, now that one I the one you die for. Woman like you, jealousy. Go and work on yourself. If you work on yourself, you will find your happiness. You'll be happy. When people see the quality that you possess, they will love you and they will follow you. You don't need juju. You don't need anything. Quality is seen in people. Quality is one thing that is seen. Your quality, people who watch you, they rate your quality. They know the kind of quality that you have. They know the kind of quality that you possess. No matter how you buy clothes, you know if you cover them. You are you. That's why. If I want to go on competition with people, I go on integrity competition. Come and do a competition of integrity with me. Not be clothes where I will count money. I went to market, I'll go buy. Those things that are the blessings of God, that's what we are talking about. Those ones are blessing. Huh? That's one a blessing. Can you imagine? A 7, 5, 8 years old, I don't know how many years on live video, that is jealous of a newcomer who just come. Jealous, like portable jealousy. You see the spirit, like the jealousy. What you need is not Rita, you need God. If you think, say, na Rita, you need me, you take get your joy, you are wasting your time. If you think Rita must go down for you to go up, you are wasting your time. If you think Rita is what the person that is holding your glory, the reason why your glory is expired and it become a past tense, you're wasting your time. You understand? Auntie says self-respect and self-worth. Exactly. If you think the reason why you will be happy on live video is Rita, you are wasting your time. Okay, for you to know that I'm not the person you need to be happy, check your history. Were you happy before Rita came to live video? No, there was no happiness. Because there are things that you were doing that wasn't going well with the world. The group of people where they follow this narcissistic and this notorious human being, the people where they follow her, now this old retired Okbo madam. Yes. A time was here on live video where one of our presenter can't do Operation Stop Human Trafficking. Operation Stop Human Trafficking. I give her the people where even come close to her. Those people now the haters of the man where drive human trafficking people for human trafficking. The person will stop human trafficking for people for Europe. Una know I know one mention his name. Human trafficking must stop. Human trafficking must stop. Human trafficking must stop. The man on the campaign. All those old madam, having retired madam, all of them come they run up and down. Some ran from Italy into Canada. The ones who have their passport already. Some ran from Italy into UK. Some run from here to here. So you know they were just running hater skater. Because get money not they again. They were looking for where they for the work. A place where they can do a normal job and they will work. Now all this madam come they find they go. Some enter Germany. So all those people put together. You know who them be now. All those people put together. Now them. Now him be the lover. This notorious manana. Now them be the lover. Because they hate that man will stop human trafficking. They know they work for this Europe before. They know they do anything. They'll just sit down for his house bed too. The only thing they'll be waiting for is for somebody else to go and do prostitution and bring money for them. Somebody say, Rita, since you showcase your mansion, that is where the hatred started. Especially, hey, I don't know before. Now so it be because they never expected small Rita. Small Rita. Out of, I get this one, I get this one, I get that one, I get this one. Now that they say you use how many years to build them. I use how many years build them, I know build them, but you don't get them. You see? That's one thing. Success is, person they suffer, they gather success. You don't need to every day like that one way just the jump come out. I get 5 hours, I get 10 hours, but people are seeing no quality in you. You don't have quality, you don't have class. You are classless. Completely classless. No class, no quality, no self-esteem, nothing. You don't even have respect for yourself. How are you going to have respect for people around you? No self-esteem, no self-worth, no character, no behavior, nothing. Ordinary primary school certificate they don't get. Make we thank those people who drive the mental house. I'm telling you, JJ, those people, that man, that presenter will stop human trafficking for this Europe. He really, really try. Slow and steady win the rain. That's why when you do anything, it's good to be slow with it and also steady. Are you understanding me? It's good to be slow and also steady. It's any normal. You don't need to rush on. I'm repeating it on live video. I don't rush build my life. But look at me, how fresh I'm still looking. How beautiful, how cute I'm still looking. It's there. I'm not even staying inside. My attention here is here. The knowledge I have now is not the knowledge I have that time when I was pumping money there. It's not the same. Maybe if not the same knowledge, now only one flat I for even build safe. I for not even go build for flat. Now one. At the end of the day, vanity is vanity. Those things are vanity. They don't mean anything. They don't add. They only add value to your life as in you did something. But when you are not there, you day Europe, your ass day Nigeria. It depends on the quality of the country that you are living. Somebody say, let them say, we love you. I love you people too so much. Correct. I see you now. Retata people. Retotorians. I really saw you people. Organic fans. I saw you people. Not too much. Thank you guys for being there for me, for supporting me, for standing by me, for making them to suffocate in their own hate, for making them to go down in their whole jealousy. Thank you for standing by me, for making them to get exposed to say that jealousy, they worry them for my body. Jealousy. Jealousy is the root of all hatred. I'm telling you people. Jealousy is the root of all hatred in this life that you can ever get. You know, I learned a lot this period. I learned a lot of lessons. I learned that even the things I was not taking serious, like this my smile, to say I don't even take out to be anything. Now I can't say, hey, it's precious. It can actually keep people. To the extent of they being desperate, to the extent of say, make I quench that smile. Their desperation was, let me quench the smile. Oh, I've said this. I hope that you people will be able to find joy and peace in the Lord. This is what I wish for you. For you to be able to have joy and peace. Thank you so much, darling. I love you guys too. To be able to have joy and peace. The peace, not be ordinary peace. I'm talking about the peace that passeth all understanding. There is one kind of peace that is called the peace that passeth all understanding. Where is this my phone now, eh? Can you imagine? Man, can the phone lie? There is another kind of peace where they call the peace that passeth all understanding. You think it's everyone that have it. How do you get that peace? That peace is the grace of God that gives it to you. And how good you are as a human being. Now God they award you that kind of peace. It doesn't just come like that. If you deserve it and if you want it, God will give you the peace that passeth all understanding. Let me see. This one I don't go find my marriage house. If he go still make you not happy. Or you very joy no wa. Will he make you happy? That is where the problem is. Put number, make we call in. Yes. Now the phone I define so. Can you imagine? Phone just stay here. I carry something to take over on. May I put phone me on and call him? May I put phone? Will it make you happy at the end of the day? Okay, just so let's see. The Facebook people, watch out and see if you will still see them happy. If my style, my lifestyle, and the way I live my life will not continue to shock them. Why watch it? Let's see if they will be happy. It's about happiness. Oh, why you are with Dagmar? Joy. Will you be happy? Let's watch out and see if they will be happy. Because we're meant to do a image on here. Yaga Edim in Wadi Wadi Gogonua 3640382. That's the number, darlings. Let's see if you will be happy. I disgrace your mama. I disgrace your mama. My mama say make I tell una say, even as you don't disgrace, I say make I tell una say make una dey happy, make una get joy. Let's see if there will be joy in your life. Let's see if you will be happy. Oh no, this music, please don't enter my video. Let's see if you will be happy. All these people, me and they call me. Let's see if the joy is going to be there. If you are going to be happy. Retotarians, continue to watch them. If you are going to see them happy. This one is one thing about life. Are you going to be happy? Will you find joy? Let the whole of the people of the world wash. They will never have joy and happiness in their life. Amen. But let's see if they will still have it. Let's see if they are going to be happy. It's about happiness. Eh? Okay, when we're getting the we are hearing him. My question I be this. We are hearing him. We are hearing okay, I bridge retario wa yamo episho. O ma yebe nwe. The driving license in to never give you driving license. It's never going to give you car in Europe. It will not give you driving license. If you don't get driving license, you cannot drive around. How you want waka? It will not settle your marriage that is already tearing apart. It will not. Will it settle your marriage? No. Your mind, they tell you, say, as I don't spoil my name, spoil my life, spoil everything about me. If I also spoil other people own like that, we will be in the same class. You are wasting your time. It will never be going to be possible. Because it's about you. It's about you. Are you going to be happy? That's where the problem is coming from. Can you still get a smile and have that joy? Or the retard joy will still frustrate you more and more? And they wait for the day. Cow white. Okay. Retard people, be patient. When I wait, they call me. Where they say, oh, we want this family happen fast. We want this family do. It's not everything I can say outside. You people should be patient. One thing I want to beg you, be patient. Please. 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 I know that you all are boiling. Me, I'm already over it. I'm happy. I'm happy. I have a supporting husband. A man that loves me so much. That is always there behind me. I know they use my hand do anything. Even though say not to fight, not to fee form, not to fee paper, not to do all this one. Unless say this holiday where I just there so. I carry more to come and go carry my children for school, carry them come back, go drop them for school. No. I don't even need to even use my brain to reason too much. A rod of brain is a computer. He knows what to do. Even the thing when I forgive it, when I forget, he can call me and say, don't forget, so time you need to go and do this. Now those ones now they call blessing. Are you going to be happy? I wish you are able to find joy. Even after going this far to hurt yourself, are you going to be happy? Because you get what they give person happiness. You need to find that inside your life. After you don't go look for that one, say, what did they miss for my life? This is what you are supposed to work on. Chasing a person, they run, follow person, they go, they fight and they fight and they fight and let me make a cash and I draw and down. It doesn't work. A person that carry grace, you cannot do that. Unless the person they stay in hand with juju like you. Finish. Are you sure the network is clear? The only way where you will fit in with me as a Rita, if I dey use my hand touch the juju the way you dey touch her, if I dey support who they do one, you will win me. But if not, my happiness will continue to be your hypertension. My smile will continue to be your drugs. Yes. My joy will continue to be your frustrator. This is what I wish you. My joy will continue to be your frustrator. Still, you will not find joy. You will not be happy. Eh? You say exactly, you just said it the way it is. Then showcase three African parents to the world. We are proud of them. Yes, very soon they are coming. I'm showcasing them to the world. My mother is going to pass a message on this platform. Don't worry yourself. The way I am, what you are seeing right now, this is who my mother is. My parents, this is who they are. Exactly who they are. That is me. Obana they go transfer. Obana they go transfer. So my people, I want you to cool down and be patient and watch and listen. Everything that happened in the public is for people to learn from. You learn from it, I learn from it. Everyone learns from it. But the people will not go ever they happy. Now the people where they fight people happiness. I want fight and may I fight the happiness. Do you know how many of them are thinking to say, narrate cause and wave their glory expire? It has nothing to do with me. Life is about accepting reality. Some people don't they accept reality. If you work in an office, there's a time of retirement. When your retirement time comes, you retire in peace. And you give other people chance to enjoy themselves. That is what life is. You cannot say because your retirement is coming, you go to kill young children. You'll be fighting young ones that will go up so that you will remain relevant. It doesn't make you remain relevant. It makes you to continue to be, I don't know what. It doesn't make you relevant. No one can steal your glory. When your glory is original and genuine, no one steals it. When your joy is genuine, no one can steal it. That is why, even after you go after the people where you get joy, you try to hurt them. You see them back bubbling and happy again. And you will still be in the pain. Now you will still be. You will see the suffer. You will see the pain. Because the thing where they give you pain, you don't walk on. Now inside your body you do. Not be the person where they pursue they go. Amen, Sister Cynthia. Amen. Amen. Yeah. That's so it be. Will you be happy? No. This thing where you do so, after you don't do one now, it go continue to they give you view for live video all your life. No. You finish nonsense, you go back to where you belong. The gutter. Where you belong to. Where they know you before. Where everybody know you put. That's where you're going back to. You will not pass there. Because it's about the quality of human being that you are. It's about the kind of person where you be. Not be waiting you the pursue they go. Rita they use juju. 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 Go find juju may you use. You just say they use juju. Ya de bonulo. Go find juju. And now na do juju pass. Una they talk about juju every 2 minutes. Una like juju where. The home I come from, una don't already go my father house. Now sure you saw it. I wish una see juju for there that day. Una for video and come for live video. Say as we enter that house rich, we can't see one juju for here. We can't see one juju for there. If you don't see any bomb, we be ana kodu hunuwa. Anything. Yeah. Now carry video from here go be and not see juju. Carry comments. Now the one where I can't detach for here now not see. The juju base will not find go. A base in wawaju. Is here in wajo wa mami juju beba. Now here I can't detach and put. What you will continue to see all over me is grace. If you even have small anything that is good in your life, if you get small before, this time where you not do this evil, it's going back to the person who need another person who need it, not me. God has already blessed me already with what I have. I don't need your glory. I don't need the glory of another one. The day where they born me, now God give me my own personal glory, my own personal joy, my own personal happiness. The thing where I need to live my life, they were given to me that very day. Now they use to go, I don't need your own. Your own is not enough. It's too small for me to use. It's too small for me to use. It's too small for me to use. Happiness. Ayi go ya do ebe ki wa try no wa mo gogo. Even wa need one hin wa need dem we gogo wa need. Wa need do marokba. Wa need do gogo. Wa need the joy. Like wa need the gogo wa need happiness. Wa need no $1 that mo wa dem no see wa na mo gogo. E me so raw. Some people they that their happiness they don't lose them for childhood. You now know how they tell loser. Their parents put them for school. They not go. This small English when me they speak so it become a problem and it's an intimidation to them. It's a big intimidation. You go say you they speak English, you go intimidate them. The way you live your life, you go intimidate them. The way you smile, it will intimidate them. Everything about you will intimidate them. No. This one make you to know now. Now because they happen for live video, they look and like say no, they happen for inside your house. Or between you and your friends that you are playing with. This one that you are seeing on live video happen inside your life. You and your friends. You and your people. They happen every day. Your friend will be so jealous of you. Like, so jealous and envious of everything that you have. Your husband go the jealous the relationship owner gets. You and your children. The way you they carry yourself. Ritoto, this nonsense happened to correct the Edo cyberspace for good. Exactly. Are you seeing it? I wish you people will be happy. I wish you will find joy. I wish you will be happy because the joy. Whatever are watching Ritoterians, let's monitor them and see if they are still going to be happy. This one is my message this afternoon. Because I know that a sadist is a sadist. Nothing changes it. I know say sadist. Now sadist for life. Nothing they change. Emi rock by fear weary. Or when I'm here we maybe milane. Even though say you go kill fowl, kill goat. Anything you like, give them. They are the people that will come out and show you money. They will tell you that they are rich, they are richer than you. And you will accept it to say, okay, you rich past me. I know follow you do competition. What face still that joy, they don't have it. Now they ask themselves, say, not be juju be that. Person will come and come tell you, say, I get money past you. See money. Go they show you money, see money. You not go still see that joy for your body. Why? You go they wonder. That one is to tell you that they don't have joy. Money cannot give you joy. Money does not give joy to anyone. Money not they give joy you. Money will only just give you one-time happiness like that. Oh, you are able to solve your problem. You are able to buy your clothes. You are able to buy your this. You are able to buy your that. You are able to buy everything. Common pidgin English, that one. Hey, salubwa. Why they not jealous me? Ordinary pidgin English. This one a person will be say, he even attend secondary school small, but they jump fence. Now those people where they jump fence, you want to compete with me in which area? When I was busy moving from lectures to lectures, busy going from lectures to lectures, you were busy checking on area boyfriend. You were busy checking on area boyfriend. From one boyfriend to another. Area boyfriend, area boys. Area boys. At the end of the day, you want to be better than person where you settle down to give you life quality. How? Later on I'll say, it take you 10 years. It take you 10 years. Even if it take me 10 years, I took it slowly. I was working on myself. That is why you are seeing the quality right now. Not running from Bilbao to Switzerland to go and do prostitution. Running from every joint and club to Bejo. Everywhere after you do prostitution finish, you use until do the something under 3 years. Still, it will not give you joy. There's no quality in your life. Please share the video, my people. If you are not sharing, share the video. A sadist will remain a sadist. Are you seeing my comments? Let me see. I don't know what to do. Worry my network for you. What happened to your comments, darling? Let me see what happened to your comments. A sadist is a sadist for life. She dey jump fence, go dey look for cassava. Yeah, dismay. I'm telling you, they jump fence, go dey look for cassava. They not dey stay class, not dey stay school. A school uniform safe. Those days where we dey go school. A school uniform go garde scissors ro ize gia do alok boni sanvema. O mi na ati ato mu kebe la dia na joye school. I make a school uniform a skirt to be very tight so that it can be attracting boyfriends. They restricted you. Be careful of the way you comment. A school uniform do tattoo nisan or do a tattoo way. There's one name I saw here now. Let me see it. Where was that? Somebody say, Asibo Anna, a dede Facebook. Now God go punish you. A dede down. It will be undone. My people, let me tell you one thing you people need to know. Maybe not now. I will tell you guys later. You see that name you just mentioned in my platform. I said they already know my father's house. They are not looking for it again. Now I can break the news to you. That name where you see, Asibo Anna, where you they write for my platform so. Those are one of the people who brought my father information to Facebook. Collaboration. At the end of the day, I take favor una. Not give una any joy. And when we are here, or buy a transfer, I did my house. Or ban on the good transfer. This time around, now na egbege de war. Now go they say, wait till I do so. How would these people do to me? What would they do to me? How would they reply to me? What are they doing? What we be agagwo? That no when you but person will not do you anything like me. I'll be bold, but still I know that you will never be happy. Mona they look and not be this Facebook with them. Mona they watch and whether and see happiness for their life. Even the one where they spend so we say, I don't find mama information. I don't find mama house. Now you don't see and what it can happen. Where's your joy? Enter your live video, come and smile. No way. Ogbaribiko. Ogbaribaka. Happiness no go still. Say that your sister English they break person head do. Classroom. And that one they call platform. Platform. How would they call it? Not be platform. Oh my God. Ritoto people. Now that one be platform. Now platform una the talk. A platform waha. A platform una. A platform where a person that her father slept with will never have joy all her life. How you want to get joy? They will try their best to rob your own. That is why sometimes I will just see some stuff, I will laugh. My sister Lolo, thank God for your life. That's the only thing I will tell you. Finish. I don't have much to say. Thank God for your life. Because a sadist will remain a sadist until we change it. A sadist will remain a sadist. He said from Victor say beauty without brace and injury to save. Mother platform. My people, which day we will go fix our nails now? Which day we will go fix our nails so that I'll be doing live video there when I'll be fixing my beautiful nails? Which day? I'm home tomorrow. I'm home next. Should we do it tomorrow? The place where I for the fixed nails is just very close to us here. It's very close. It's not like 2-3 buildings from here. Should we do it tomorrow? When do we fix our beautiful nails? May I can show you now? Our cute nails. But still, justice must prevail. That's the only thing I want to tell you people. That I can tell you here. Be patient. Justice will prevail. Justice will prevail. Now platform, oh. This is our platform. Platform where you see for here. Now people where they important. Now you did this platform. Lectures to lectures. Last. Obasoye miracle. Okay, let me block that person. When my own origin, I say, wait, here the race single mother by stupidity. The person where you fight for, the mother is a single mother by stupidity. My mother born for one pikin, one man. Single mother by stupidity, 3rd grade. Or deha, or what deha? Ajima. We ma gagbe yi kan pa. Thank God say you even learn some more for your mama mistake. Thank God. They not they get peace, oh, if they not follow Rita. Ijo saloboa. If they not follow me, they not they get peace. They follow me like winning. Because my joy, the love that you people have for me on live video, is a suffocating injection to them. If they could, then they kill them. Now me they tell you now, my people, whether believe me, the joy, the love one I love me, they kill them slowly. A slow injection one. He only work billion. Mommy, wait, make I ask Mommy Gio when to fix your nails. Oh, you want to ask Mommy Gio when to fix my nails? Maybe we should do it tomorrow. For where did they present an unfair advice? Monica say she clear hand for she. Hey, I beg you, my people. Why me gas name me and why me rename me and miracle to talk to your Ekita sister Ebony. Miracle to talk to your. Who they even they talk safe? Can't even read your comment. Comment what I can read and see. The only comment of the people when I see now my lovers so now they see. Iya ne joy. Iya doga erita la finia. Erita la finia. Ni erita la finia ni amwe gbuto ni amwe gbuto yana. E kona ga khe ya me na abadon ni ya. I know that your level again. I bet me I play better music. Ya avec una guna le di no keke. A joy. Yeah, ye baby. Somebody not a joy niya. I pray may God select una, give una peace, may give una joy. That you'll be happy. What you need is joy. Happiness. Why am I? Why can't get beg where joy? You see how they'll be happy in civil. I do you this one, I do you that one. You see the way they'll be doing it with their strength and their power. Jealousy. Even their own fans, wait, don't call me, wait, this thing say happen. Her own personal fans, wait, don't call me, don't reach 5. I'll just keep quiet because I don't know what to tell anyone where they will carry go. I'll be listening to them talking. Yes. Their own fans go say, Mama Rita, because of what they do so, I don't want to have anything to do with them again. You are now my mommy on live video. You are now my lover. You are now the person that I love and I'm fighting for. He reached 3, 4. 4 people that confessed it to me today. Only today, 4 people confessed it. Not be yesterday, not be day before yesterday. I was just laughing. I say, really? Good evening, Sister Irede. How you doing? The only thing where you go succeed to do, you will make people come love her more because of your evil. Why people will look at you like, which kind of evil person be this? They don't want to hear you because you committed evil. Evil we are really woman beg you beg you woman joy. Or beg you go red dark mon way nothing. I want we are hot here be mo go say we. That one not be juju be that. I'm expecting one beautiful music from Esther Edokpayi for only Rita Ayemimo. Only Rita. One beautiful music, clean one from Esther for only Rita. I'm begging you via increase the love video. That is Esther Edokbayi. Why am I not see me on Bobije now? Do bonila live video 2 years ago. Now I don't spend for live video. A year no for Birani. Meaning I complete 2 years. I'm not pursuing my 3 years on live video. Esther Edokbayi sing for me. He put my name to do music appreciation where he still reach other live video presenter hand. Award where they still share. He reached my hand. He reached my hand. And God also used very good men and women to bless me on live video. People who love me. I don't force myself on people. But I just see them coming to me and I just receive them because I know they love me. That cause I will be saying, even though say I receive 20 calls a day, I know the ones that my own will be my own for inside. I know them. Say this one is for me. Thank you for the star. God bless you. This one is my own. It's for me. Yes. Even though say I receive 30 calls a day, I know the one will be my own for inside. So we will continue to shock them with our happiness. And we not begging say happiness. Oh, gwale ke nu kwa yi hia. Yen ze gwale yana ya gwale so project be didi. E happiness rita wo jag bi je na keje. You sure say no be inside here ide. No be inside here ide. At the end of the day, e hia ye be ko ko nu wa. Because a sadist remain a sadist for life. Nothing will change that one. Nothing to change. You are a sadist, you are going to remain a sadist. You say Ritotarians are allergic to adulterous people. Exactly. Yes. You are going to remain a sadist. How can somebody just jump up and say, I want to use you monetize page. I don't use your mama monetize page, but you forget, say, at the same time, you use your papa where don't die. Also take money, I die your same page. Your own father, where don't die, you use them too. You use all your siblings. Even the one in the grave. That's a shame and disgrace. Because you was not expecting it. Did you expect it? No. What you was expecting is that I want to use Mama Rita to monetize page. At the same time.
Cause I never want to play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully aware.